In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front turn signal on a Jeep Wrangler. So you have two mounting screws and they're Torx bits. It's a T15 Torx bit. Counterclockwise, back them out. You're going to reuse them, so keep them. Just pull the lens out. You'll see that the bulb is right there. Now there's two things you could do, is you can turn it so that it unlocks and pull it out. So once you expose the actual socket in the harness, you have a little screwdriver you can push on that tab. You have one on both sides, and then pull that right out. So with the new lens, make sure you take off this protective paper. You're going to take the socket, line, so you have one large cut out, two small, so line those up. There's the large. So I'm going to line the large one right up and twist it till it locks. Right there. And I'll take my connector, slide it on till it locks. Get my two mounting screws. That's a T15 Torx 15. Make sure you start them both before you start really snugging it up. I'm going to press it down till that seal feels like it's grabbing. You're all set. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.